Hello and welcome to our Khmer Healthy Cooking.
What are we going to cook today?
Today we are going to cook Vietnamese sour soup.
What are the ingredients you have?
The ingredients we have tamarind paste, rice paddy, herb, fish mint, herb, tomato, tofu, veggie, pineapple, lettuce stem, bean sprout, sawtooth, salt, galangal and garlic, and soy sauce.
What do you do first?
First, we need to turn on the fire and put galangals and garlic in the water. Wait until the water is boiling and then add vegetable and tofu in the water. Now water is boiling, we need to add tofu, and all vegetables in the water. And add tamarind paste. Add soy sauce, and sauce to make it taste. And wait until the vegetables are tender for 5 to 8 minutes. Now it is cooked, we need to add sawtooth, fish mint herb, and rice paddy herb to make it tasty. And serve it into the bowl. I hope you guys try to make this food at home because it's easy to do it at home. Goodbye and Thank you for watching.